Today, I want to talk to you about Cert Objective 1.1 Import Data into Workbook. The first thing I'm going to do is open up Microsoft Excel, and I can do that by clicking here on the taskbar to open up Excel. I can also click on the Windows icon and then look for Excel and click here, or I can click on All Apps, scroll down until I find Excel, and then click on Excel. I'm using the Windows 11 version of the operating system. So Windows 11 is the operating system. Now that I am in Excel, I'm going to click on a blank workbook. In order to import data from a text file, you must click on the Data tab. And in the Data tab, you have several sections: Get and Transform Data, Queries and Connections, Data Types, Sorts and Filters, Data Tools, Forecast, and Outline. We're going to look at Get Data. When you click on the drop down for Get Data, you also see From File, and then you can click on From Text/CSV. So when I click here, it brings up my File Explorer, and I can navigate to where I have the data that I want to import. So I'm going to select the file and say import. What you see is 365 connecting to the file, and you will notice a couple of things: the name of the original file, the delimiter, and the data type detection. Here we can choose whether or not we want the delimiter to be colons, commas, equal signs, semicolons, spaces, or tabs. In this case, we're going to use tabs. Now what I do is click on Load and then Load To. Clicking on Load To allows you to tell Excel where you want the information to be imported. So it's going to be a table, existing worksheet, and we're going to put it in A1, which is selected. And then we click OK. Now that information is now added to your Excel worksheet. You can find the many different ways to import data into your worksheet from pages 2 to page 8 in the Microsoft Study Guide, Exam MO 200 for Microsoft Excel. Let's look at a couple of other features. Again, I can go to Data and click on from Text/CSV, select the file, click Import. We can use Transform Data. Transform Data will allow you to dictate how your information shows up when you import it. For instance, when you click on Keep Rows, allows you to choose which rows to keep. So be aware of this feature, okay? You can also choose which columns to keep and remove, okay? Then once I finish modifying, I hit Close and Load. And this is importing data from a text file. Please be sure to read the material from your workbook from pages 2 to 8. in addition to downloading this particular file and practice using import data to workbook.